What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you all are having a very good Friday. If you guys don't know, today is Friday. Hoping to have this video out tonight, maybe tomorrow, but today is Friday, and it is considered Good Friday, the Friday before Easter. I don't know if you guys out there are religious or whatnot, Catholics. I grew up Catholic, so, you know, I know this stuff. But anyways, as you guys can see, the Duramax is still running top freaking notch. It's still running great. Freaking, nothing's going on with it. It's working great, other than the transfer case, obviously. Which, one of these days, I definitely have to get the transfer case out and check the transfer case and see what's going on with it, and maybe rebuild it, or whatever the case may be. And we have somebody coming up here with some lights on, like some blue lights. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror back there. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. I'm not really sure what it is. Fire police, maybe? I thought fire police had red, but that's flickering blue light, so it can't be a cop. And which brings us to another subject. They're actually coming up beside us here. I'm gonna show you who it is. But maybe it's PennDOT. I don't know. Maybe it's DOT. But yeah, there's a lot of cops out today, guys. Like, I don't even know what's going on. I've probably seen 6 or 7 cops driving around so far. But oh, we got braking going on. Traffic's slowing down. Maybe that guy's going up there for that. You see him back there, guys? Fire police, maybe. I'm not really sure who he is. So anyways, as you've seen, we're delivering, or we are going to be delivering, put it this way, we're going to be delivering a 700R4 transmission to SendItSteve. So a while back, I would say a month or 2 back, a fan got a hold of me and was like, hey, man, this guy's behind me now. Like, what is going on here? Hope he's not trying to pull me over with his blue fireman lights or whatever the hell they are. But anyways, a few months ago, this fan came to the shop and was like, hey, or kind of contacted me and said, hey, I've got a 700R4 transmission that I don't need anymore, and it worked when it came out of the vehicle, and it came out of a 3rd gen Trans Am or Camaro, and he was like, do you want it? And I started thinking about it. I was like, well, I really have no use for a 700R4 transmission. But then I started thinking, I was like, you know what, my good buddy SendItSteve, he needs a 700R4 transmission for the GTA build, and this one's good to go. And like I said, it was supposedly worked when it was pulled, and just needs a converter. So basically, I'm driving this up to him, and I was going to go to his house and drop it off, but I guess he's going over to Streetspeed717's house to help him with a little project on the Blazer. So we're going to head up to Mike's house, Streetspeed717, and see what kind of shenanigans they're getting into today, and drop off this transmission as well. So let's get going. Blue lights are still behind me. I'm kind of scared. I don't even know why he has his blue lights on, to be honest. Like, he's just floating back there with his blue lights on. Hopefully you guys can see that. Not really sure what's going on, guys, but let's get up to Mike's, see what the hell's going on up there.
What are you doing? Oh dear God. What, do we just show up at random people's houses?
Just motherfucker. Hi, Mo. I don't know what Mike's doing, but it's... I heard. It's gonna be awesome. That's not gonna be awesome. You going back to the mud hole?
Yeah.
Oh God. You're definitely...
Taking the Duramax.
What's up?
Taking the Duramax.
Yeah, I'll tell you.
Our trucks will be there to pull everybody out.
Well, no, you're gonna need the Honda for that.
Okay, the Honda. We'll see if we can.
Listen, I think you're both fucked up. You'll be fine.
I gotta beep that out.
Beep. I wonder if that hole's in the right location.
It has no choice. If you'd have cut this like a circle like I did.
You didn't cut jack.
Had it been a circle, it would have been perfect.
Your side was all screwed up.
Look. It's because Easter.
It's like 2 monkeys fucking a basketball.
Ow.
I like this bumper, dude.
Thanks.
That's really nice.
Look at that. See? Look at that. That's
Backyard
pretty
build.
solid.
Hell yeah.
Backyard build. We could even bring it down just a smidge.
Oh, poor
It
truck.
actually looks really cool.
Poor truck. The Blazer had has a newfound youth.
Oh, it definitely has. Wow.
See, I like that.
So
Remember
weird.
how I said keep it under the fender?
Oh yeah, definitely.
I like that.
Might fit. Yeah, looks good. They're just doing a hack job at it, guys. The hole saw would have done a nice hole in this. But, you know, they're using those. Nice clean air filter. All the mud from the pond, the lake, whatever you want to call it. Sitting down there, living its life. Oh my God. Oh my. What are you doing, dude?
I'm going to cut the whole thing out.
Yeah.
He's like perfect.
What do you think we were going to do? I was going to go 1 mile an hour and make sure it was a perfect line.
That was 1 mile an hour. You should have went like a quarter mile an hour. Holy smokes.
He's like, I got to upload here in a few hours. We got to get this shit done.
You two can worry about your own shit. You got a truck that barely works.
My truck works just fine. What are you talking about?
Steve's a whole nother case. I'm not even going to get into. Don't criticize my saw.
I'm done.
I heard if you put it on backwards, it works better.
Probably does.
Alrighty, we are back in the truck, and Steve had to meet somebody over at Bass Pro here because he sold his and now he's doing skidding out. I don't know if you guys caught that. Wow, like he really literally just fishtailed, and I think I missed it on video. That sucks a lot. So we're heading back to his house anyways, and I'm gonna get this tranny out the back of my bed. I'm trying to like be safe driving around because I don't want this thing to like bounce around. I didn't strap it down or anything. So we're gonna head over to his house, unload this sucker, and that tranny is gonna be all his, which I'm sure he's gonna be very, very happy about, honestly. So let's get there. Let's get to his junkyard. Hey, it's raining.
Close that.
Alrighty, guys. We're at SendItSteve's. We're gonna do some fishing. Right here. We go. All right, fishies.
You know, it is.
We're gonna get some fishies.
If you had a top water, I'd say now's the time to go fishing.
Look at that. Come on, fishies.
You better
Come
not
on.
catch my frog.
You have a frog in here?
Yeah, there's 2 big bullfrogs in there.
I'm gonna get one of them.
What the?
What?
I don't think they're gonna bite.
Man.
There's a little tackle box and everything.
Oh yeah, I bought it all yesterday. Got my fishing license.
Oh, so you aren't actually a fisherman.
Well, no, I used to fish years ago.
Seasonal.
Well, yeah. Well, no, I used to fish a lot, but then I got too busy and I got out of it, and I decided yesterday I was like, you know what? I'm gonna buy some fishing rods for me and the boys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get a tackle box and I'm gonna go fishing with the boys, and that's what I did. I took the boys. We went fishing, and this rain sucks.
I don't picture him as a fisherman.
No, I'm a fisherman.
Well, Andy has the transmission that is for.
I told everybody I was bringing the 700R 4 up for you for the good old GTA build back there.
GTA build.
Wasting away.
It's not wasting away.
It's so sad, guys, because he cares more about Bruce than he does the GTA.
No.
Comment below. Do you think the GTA should run first or
No,
Bruce?
That's not true. It's the fact that I'm trying to do the GTA build perfect. The Bruce I don't care about.
Then why'd you get it?
Because it's fun. I'm gonna have fun with that car. The GTA is not gonna be a fun build. It's gonna be literally a weekend warrior once a month.
Oh, this is not a K. This is not a K bell housing. And if anybody knows what a K bell housing is, they have a big K right here, like a K, like this.
No K.
The K means it has a thicker bell housing for trucks.
Oh.
Heavy duty or bell housing. The bell housing is actually thicker inside the K
We
ones.
don't need like heavy.
Nah, definitely not. Definitely
One
not.
that'll hold 500.
But now,
no 700R4 is gonna hold 500 anyway. So.
yeah, it would. If you build it right, it'll handle it.
Well, maybe we'll be bringing it back down to you.
Oh God! Dang it!
Well, I appreciate you, Andy.
No problem, buddy. No
I
problem.
gotta get a converter, and I have all the speed sensors and tail shaft things. I got everything.
Yeah.
Literally.
You don't need a whole lot for this thing.
Yeah, like
he said it worked, so.
I have my shifter cable.
Yeah.
Like I have all of that. So.
Yeah, he said it worked, so I don't know.
Cable, so
That's
I have
kickdown
all
cable,
that,
yeah.
We're good.
I'm assuming it worked, but I would definitely drop the pan just to double check to make sure there's nothing loosey-goosey in there.
We're gonna go through it. We're definitely not putting it in that car. Like
No,
this.
definitely
It's
not.
gotta get cleaned.
If anything, I'll come up here one day and we can build it.
There you go.
We'll just buy parts and we'll just, yeah, we need a bucket and, well, not even a bucket. I'll bring my, you have an engine stand, so I'll just bring my, my hookup. I'll bring my hookup.
My engine for this is on the stand. We'll cross that path.
Well, yeah, we'll figure that out when the time comes.
All right, well, let's get this out of the truck.
All right, buddy, where's it going? Let me guess. Outside.
No, it's gonna go in the house.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
I didn't really want the tube to know that I was gonna put a dirty transmission in my.
Well, yeah, it's got to get a little bit of cleaning up, but that's all. Nothing bad.
Just put it outside for now and then clean it up, and then I will move it back.
I would definitely put. You have any rubber or something to put in here?
I have a whole tarp. I'll just tarp.
Yeah, just cover it up. That way, this rain sucks, man.
Definitely.
The yard's looking cleaner though. Not gonna lie.
I'm getting there.
Kind of, sort of, not really, but.
Really think, but like we're getting there.
You can obviously see that the C5 is completely torn to shreds. Wow. I tell you what, he definitely knows how to send it, guys. But she's looking good. I think he's gonna be putting other fenders and a bumper on this to put it back to like an OE style kind of look, which is cool. Definitely needs a paint job again. And I think he definitely needs a whale tail on this thing. He needs to put a big wing back on this thing. You gonna put a big wing back on it?
No.
Why not?
No big wing, anything like that. It'll look factory. It'll be a sellable car when I'm done with it.
No, definitely not. That's like buying one of Mike's Corvettes. It's not sellable after they own it.
That was Mike's Corvette. Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah.
Totally forgot about that.
Definitely.
Hey, it used to be all yours, and then it was Mike's, and it was yours again. And it was, yeah.
Right, let's get the trans.
Okay, let's do this. Let's do this.
Yep. Right here, we'll get her all pressure washed up and everything. Yeah. She will be good to go.
Close the tailgate. Ugh. I want to see that build.
I know, everybody knows. We're working on it. It's a slow process.
It's taking too long. Unbelievable. I'm just trying to be here for my boy, SendItSteve. You know? And I didn't say rush it done, but
everybody's like, look what I do with the vet. I rushed that car together and I had nothing but problems.
Yeah, are we taking your truck?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna go get lunch. He's buying me lunch for driving this transmission up here, which I'm very thankful about. So we're gonna go get lunch and then we shall be back in a little bit. Alright, Steve, see you later, buddy.
Goodbye.
KnivesDeal.com, guys. KnivesDeal.com.
Check them out.
Bye, Mo.
Use promo code SendItSteve. All one word.
Don't use this promo code. Use mine when it comes in. Hint, hint. Hint, hint. What's up?
Did you show him that?
Yeah, this is, listen, I will honestly say, KnivesDeal.com has sent SendItSteve this replica Sig Sauer X5.
Like a P226 model.
Yeah, it says on the other side. But this thing, guys, like, I thought this was going to be like a plastic piece of junk, like fake, like kind of thing. This thing actually has a little bit of freaking weight to it.
Yeah.
Like, it feels like an actual, I think it's a PP, yeah, 226.
Yeah.
So it actually feels like an actual 226S. Like, it actually has weight.
Yeah, it's
and
actually,
we've been,
like, it has a real breakdown and everything.
yeah, like real breakdown and everything, guys. Like, it's no joke. I'm actually very impressed. I'm very, very impressed with this setup.
Unbelievable.
But it just shoots BBs, guys. Like, it doesn't shoot bullets. It just shoots these little BBs. Very safe, fun, family-oriented stuff. But, like, look at that. Look at the detail on that thing. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah. You guys definitely gotta check it out.
Forward slide, back slide. Like, everything's good. Look at that, man. It's freaking nuts.
Freaking sweet.
Very, very nuts. Very, very nuts.
Safety, ambidextrous safety, too.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we've just been out here shooting, and it's,
just having fun.
not, oh.
Don't worry about the neighbors. They don't care.
Yeah. not gonna lie, it is actually a pretty fun pistol shoot.
Yeah.
Very, very fun pistol
Literally
shoot.
Been shooting it for at least a half hour, 45 minutes.
Yeah, that's why I haven't left yet. Like, I've been trying to leave, and I'm like,
how
yo.
much we've been shooting.
Yeah, we went through a whole bunch of CO2 cartridges. No joke.
CO2 everywhere.
Everywhere,
like
CO2. 5,000 bag of freaking pellets and everything.
Yeah. You can get it all on the website too, guys. Definitely check them out.
What's your link?
Promo code SendItSteve.
Promo code SendItSteve. All right.
Yeah. It's actually like pretty legit. Like I would buy that. Like if I had like airsoft things, or like I'm teaching.
Well,
the
that's
kids,
pretty much
obviously.
what that is airsoft.
Yeah. Like
and yes, he did take the orange follower off the front, guys. Just so you know.
I didn't.
Who
did?
You did.
I didn't.
Where is it?
I think Mike did.
Oh, blame it on Streetspeed. He's gonna blame it on Streetspeed717, guys. But they do come with an orange pistol follower. That way, you know, law enforcement and authorities don't think it's a real pistol, it's a real gun. And I definitely do not recommend that anybody take that off, to be honest. If you do something like that, you know, it could obviously be mistaken as a real weapon, and that would be bad.
You can
So
get into some law enforcement issues.
yeah, so definitely be safe, be responsible.
Tony took it off.
Oh, Tony took it off?
There it
Yeah.
is.
There it is. Be very responsible with these weapons. They do look very realistic, and they feel very realistic as well. And he's still reaching for it.
I
Yeah.
forgot. So a couple of my buddies were overshooting, and they wanted to see if it comes off. But definitely keep it on, guys.
Yeah, definitely keep the follower on.
Law enforcement comes, you're probably gonna get some
Yeah,
trouble.
you're gonna have some problems.
I
they're-
forgot it was off till you said so.
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean safety wise. What are you doing?
That's Thor's hammer.
We got Thor's hammer over here.
Yeah, that's knivesdeal.com. You can get that on there too if you're into novelty items.
Really? They have that too?
Yeah.
Wow.
You
check
guys
that out.
want me to show some of your followers some of the cool
Nah,
stuff?
my video's already too long. I'm happy I can help SendItSteve out with a transmission that's been laying out in the rain now
As
for
you can tell,
a couple hours.
I have some pieces here already.
Yep, he's already got his speedometer and everything, so he's good to go.
We're locked and loaded.
So he just needs a
See what I did
converter.
there, locked and loaded?
Oh my god. You just need a converter, need a new O-ring for your
Got all
converter
that,
lockup,
baby.
and you'll be good to go, boss.
We got all that, baby.
There you go, there you go.
I really appreciate
I would
it.
definitely drop the pan on this thing and see what it looks like though.
Oh, we're just gonna cram and slam.
Definitely no, don't do that.
Thanks, everybody.
That's just
Thank you.
bad.
More plugging and
Just cram and slam now?
Cram and slam.
Cram and slam?
Cram
Yeah,
and
I would
slam.
definitely not recommend doing that. You've seen, like, he's gotten his pond all nice and clean again. Very happy about that. I'll be coming up here again fishing in your pond. I'm
really
hoping
appreciate
I'm
it.
hoping to catch some things, you know.
Yeah.
Some little.
I showed you. You didn't see the fish.
No,
So-
no, I didn't see the fish. We're
It is
actually fishing
in
this
the
thing.
pond, and there is actually, like, there's some pretty big.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get over here. That way, when you lift it up, they can see it. Yeah, there is fish in there.
Look at all the fish under there.
There's some
There's
fish.
there's a frog.
I want to see a
Right.
frog.
Hey, you know what? Let's just show them. There's some fish in there, guys.
I'm a little nervous about that. This is a brand new set.
There you go. There's some fish in there.
I don't want to ruin it. Oh, we can see it. Oh, I get it. Oh, we submerged the GoPro.
I literally just submerged my GoPro in his pond, and it's still working just fine, guys. Let's wipe the water off here. There's some water on the lens.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Brand new 7, and I just put it underwater for no reason.
You got me so.
Well,
This is
I
mine's
do
a 5,
appreciate
buddy,
you.
and it
Look,
works.
mine's dripping.
Look, it's working just fine, dude. Look at that, working just fine.
Well, Andy, I really appreciate it.
No problem, buddy. No problem.
Stick it in this ball.
When I'm ready to get everything running the trans out, I'll call you.
All right,
You
let me
come
know.
up for the
Keep me
first
posted.
fire up.
What's up?
I would love to be here for the first fire up. I'm sure my fans would also really enjoy seeing that red GTA back there, right there, get fired up on this property. That'd be pretty awesome. Wow, that's kind of weird. All right, guys. On that note, we're gonna call it quits here.
Check it out in my video.
we're gonna. What the heck is she doing?
Black Bolt.
All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing.
Oh, deuces, guys. It's William over here.